Are you ready to capture every angle without breaking the bank? Whether you're biking through rugged trails, vlogging your adventures, or just want immersive footage for social media, today, I've got you covered. In this video, we're diving into the best budget-friendly 360-degree action cameras that offer great performance, impressive features, and stunning image quality, all without costing a fortune. I'll break down the specs, pros and cons, and real-world performance so you can find the perfect one for your needs. All the cameras I mention are linked in the description below, so check those out if you want to learn more or grab one for yourself. Let's roll into the action. 360 degrees of it. 5. Insta360 X3. The Insta360 X3 redefines action cam capture with its powerful 5.7K 360 active HDR video, ensuring you never miss a moment, no matter where the action happens. Thanks to smart reframing tools in the AI-powered Insta360 app, you can easily choose your favorite angle after filming. Dual 1/2-inch 48-megapixel sensors allow for stunning 72-megapixel photos, crisp low-light performance, and breathtaking 8K time-lapses. When you want a traditional action cam feel, switch to 4K single lens mode for ultra-clear 4K 30 FPS, or go ultra-wide with a 170-degree field of view in 2.7K max view. With flow state stabilization and 360 horizon lock, your footage stays silky smooth and level. Plus, the invisible selfie stick vanishes from your shots, delivering epic drone-like third-person views without the gear getting in the way. 4. AKASO 360. The AKASO 360 action camera redefines immersive content creation with its stunning 5.7K 360-degree video capability, allowing you to capture every angle of your adventures in breathtaking clarity. Powered by dual 1/2-inch 48-megapixel sensors, it delivers incredibly sharp 72-megapixel photos and crisp, detailed images even in low light, thanks to DNG-8 RAW photo mode. Its advanced in-app stabilization and 360-degree horizon lock ensure buttery smooth, perfectly leveled footage without the need for a gimbal. AI subject tracking intelligently keeps your subject centered, while the invisible selfie stick effect creates jaw-dropping third-person perspectives, all without a photographer. With shoot first, frame later flexibility and powerful editing tools in the AKASO 360 Studio, you're free to focus on the action and unleash your creativity like never before. 3. AKASO Brave 4 capture every moment in stunning detail with this versatile action camera, featuring 4K video at 30 FPS, 1080p at 60 FPS, and 20-megapixel photos to help you relive life's adventures anytime, anywhere. Its 107-degree adjustable view angle offers 4 customizable perspectives: 107 degrees, 140 degrees, 110 degrees, and 70 degree, while built-in smart gyroscope stabilization guarantees smooth, professional-quality footage even during intense activities. Equipped with Wi-Fi and HDMI connectivity, you can effortlessly share and edit your videos via a free app, with a Wi-Fi range up to 10 meters and HDMI output for viewing on larger screens. Dive deep with confidence thanks to its 131 FT 40-meter waterproof case, perfect for water sports, complemented by dual screens, a 2-inch rear and a 0.96-inch front display, to capture every angle with ease. Plus, the package includes valuable accessories like a USB dual charger, 2 1050 mAh rechargeable batteries, each offering up to 90 minutes of recording, and optimized mounts for cycling and motorcycling, making it a ready companion for all your adventures. 2. GoPro Max. The GoPro Max is an ultra-versatile 360-degree camera that captures stunning 5.6K 30 spherical video, allowing you to stay fully immersed in the moment without worrying about framing your shot. Simply hit record, and Max captures everything around you, whether it's immersive POV footage of a mountain bike run or slow-motion 3K 60 video to relive your kids' pool jumps and everyone's reactions in incredible detail. Editing is a breeze with the GoPro Quick app, which offers powerful features like object tracking and easy reframing from any perspective, so you can craft shareable stories exactly how you want. The stealth mounting capability lets you attach Max to poles or grips, making the mounting hardware virtually invisible in your shots for smooth, drone-like or self-captured footage. Plus, with single-lens hero mode, you can shoot standard video, photos, and time-lapses in 1080p or 1440p resolution. The package includes everything you need to get started: the Max camera, Enduro battery, adhesive mount, lens caps, microfiber bag, Mounting buckle with thumb screw and USB-C cable. 1. Insta360 X5. Experience the ultimate in immersive content creation with the Insta360 X5, a powerhouse 360-degree camera packed with cutting-edge features. Capture stunning, lifelike detail with dual 1.288 sensors, shooting in breathtaking 8K at 30 FPS, and relive every moment with unmatched clarity, color, and dynamic range. Thanks to the triple AI chip design, the X5 excels in low light, delivering vibrant, noise-free footage even at night. Create unbelievable third-person views using the invisible selfie stick, sold separately, and reframe your shots after the fact with AI assistance. Whether you're vlogging, exploring, or capturing action sports, InstaFrame mode gives you ready-to-share flat videos instantly with auto-tracking or fixed framing options. Say goodbye to shaky footage. Flow state stabilization and 360-degree horizon lock ensure ultra-smooth, level video in any scenario. Built for adventure, the X5 features tough, scratch-resistant, and fully replaceable lenses, a new wind guard for crystal-clear audio, and is waterproof up to 49 feet, 15 meters. Power through your shoots with a massive 185-minute battery life, fast charging to 80% in just 20 minutes, and lightning-fast AI editing tools that export highlight clips with a single tap. The box includes everything you need to get started: Insta360 X5, USB-C cable, lens cloth, protective pouch, and user guide. Just add a micro SD card and you're ready to roll. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown of the best budget 360-degree action cameras helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews just like this one. All the cameras featured in this video are linked down below in the description, so be sure to check them out for the latest prices and deals. Have questions or want us to review a specific camera? Drop a comment. We read them all. Until next time, keep exploring and capturing every angle. See you in the next video.